Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change font on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe about 1 minute. So first of all, click on online store and click on customize and click on theme settings, and here you will find this typography option, so click on it. And here you can see headings option. If you want to change your heading text font, click on change, and from this list you can select any font. Here you can see the heading font has been changed. Now if you want to change body font, then scroll down a little bit and here you will find this body option. To change body text font, click on change and you can select any of them and click on select. So this was how we can change font on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.